Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Moparswiggz, aka Swigz. We in the building. Yes, sir. We are doing another mod. We're doing the Wickerbill mod, which I already did this mod on my V6 charger. But we got a new Wickerbill that is the version 3 of the one I had. I had the first version. Now I got version 3. So we working on it with my brother. You know what I'm saying? We getting it together. We got a little piece of it. Here go a little piece. We can show y'all. We just taping up and about to mark our spots where we gonna drill at and get it going like that, man. Also, my brother got the Scat right here, 2021 Challenger Scat. I already know. I got the 2021 Charger Scat, twinning. You already know, best friend shit. This is Friends Goals. You know how we doing it, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment to the channel. We got the new mod. I'm gonna show y'all the process as we go. You already know what time it is. Your boy, it's Swigz, aka Moparswiggz. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Yeah, what up? It's your boy Moparswiggz, aka Swigz. We are putting on a Wickerbill mod today. Version 3 of the Wickerbill that I had on the V6. This is the version 3 version of it. So yeah, we getting it going. We got our taped up right now, just marking our spots. And we about to get it going, man. So stay tuned on the process. You know what I'm saying? Another Scat right here too, just to let y'all know. Yeah, you know how we doing it. Our brother over there just looking ugly. All right, we'll be right back. I'll keep y'all posted on the updates. I see it. We just got our holes marked. Doing the pilot holes right now. Then we're gonna do the big boy holes after that. Put the bolts in. Then it'll be on and popping, on the crizacking. Yeah, but basically you guys want to measure the right center of the wing itself. Like you want to make sure all you got to do is basically put the bigger piece, this piece, the longer piece down, and you want to have 2 people, and then you just center it up and then just mark the holes with a pencil and then do pilot holes after that. And then once you get the big piece marked and drilled out, the rest is history. It's just literally just drilling a bigger hole to put the bolts inside of, and then adding the bill on there. It's tighten it up and you done. It's pretty much like, it's like a 45 minute job, but I'm gonna keep y'all on the process of it. Right now we just got our pilot holes drilled, so I got y'all. All right, so now we are putting in the final bolts of the Wickerbill, the bigger pieces that actually screws inside of the Wickerbill that you want to install, the bigger bolts. I don't know what they call. I don't think they even got a fucking name, but it's these little caps that basically is gonna fasten the Wickerbill to the car. It's these little caps right here, these little things, and the screw go inside of this and pushes down on the Wickerbill to keep it on the car. So we installing those. Hopefully this nigga don't fuck my shit up.
Hopefully I got to slide this motherfucker, bro. You better have my shit ready to go.
He already almost scratched my shit up. Y'all know we was arguing when we was putting on the diffuser on the last one, so it ain't right if we don't argue on this one, bro. Yeah, but if y'all need a Wickerbill put on, bro, get at me, man. If you in the local area. If not, I can't help you, man. We don't do no traveling. But if you in the local area, you can get one put on for a fee. It ain't gonna be too much of a fee, but it's gonna be a little fee.
Hey, bro, that hole was kind of big, bro.
Come on. See what I'm talking about? Hey. See what I'm talking about, bro?
Kind of big, bro.
Man. See what I'm talking about?
Use some Gorilla Glue, bro.
Nah, we ain't Gorilla Glue shit. Hey, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all what I just did. I don't think I can. Yeah, I can. I just put these on my car, reflective fake like side little markers. I just threw those on. I had some reflective trim from my old car, and I just did that real quick. Just something to throw on here. I was gonna do the snorkels real quick, but I need a heat gun, so I ain't gonna be able to do it because it's kind of cold today. It's like warm. It's warmer than what it is, but it's still cold. It's still wintertime. It's probably like 40 degrees, maybe 38 degrees. So it's still snowing around. But we out here working, man. That's what we do. All right, I'll be back when we finished, basically, because we almost done. So. All right, y'all, we got it in. Let's just tighten it up. This bitch look crazy. Yeah, I think I like this version because I had version 1 on my other car. This version 3. I like this one better. I ain't gonna lie. This mug is super chunky. Super, super chunky. I mess with this one. I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see it a little bit better. Yeah, this one way better, bro. Look how chunky that is. Sheesh. I gotta get my slogan put on there, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do this time, but I'm definitely gonna do something different. Yeah, that mug is chunky, bro. Gotta have a Wickerbill on your car, man. That's like a must. And I can flip, if I want to put the clear piece on the outside, I can easily just unscrew it and put it on the outside, so I could switch that up too. Yeah, this thing's sick. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below, man. I got some more mods coming. We got some more big shit. Once it get a little bit warmer, it's still winter, but we trying to throw some mods on these bad boys while the weather is decent. Like I said, I threw this on there real quick, a little reflective red. Just threw that on there real quick just to add a little flair to it. I'll probably end up putting some more stuff on there. And then my brother, he talked about he might get a Wickerbill on his too. I don't know yet. But I got some more content coming because we about to go to the car wash. So we about to wash these bad boys up. Yes, sir, bro. That thing looking crazy. I'm hyped. All right, like I said, we about to hit the car wash in a minute. We're gonna get these things wrapped up, hit the car wash, and bring some more a little bit more content. The video ain't over yet. Stay tuned. We'll be back. My brother throwing it up real quick. You already know. When the dynamic duo pull up, when the black scat boys pull up, y'all know it's something epic going on. You feel me? All right, y'all. Boys at it again. At it again. Black Scat Boys. Both 2021s, man. Friendship goals, bro. Friendship goals, man. All right, we out here getting shots on the whips, man. Y'all see it. It's junky at this car wash, but we trying to get some little quick foot. Black Scat Boys back at it again, bro. My brother got the 392 cleaned up. I got the 392. I'm about to wipe it down real quick. Y'all see us, bro. Y'all see how we coming. Stop playing with us, man. Y'all see how we coming. Scat's looking crazy out here in the world. Scat's looking crazy, bro. Shit looking crazy. All right, I'm finna wipe this bitch down, y'all. We finna wipe our cars down. I'm gonna get right back at y'all in a minute.